Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to update FaceTime onto your iPhone. So keeping your FaceTime app updated ensure that you have the access to the latest features and improvements. Now to get started for this, just open the settings of the app on your iPhone and scroll down a bit and tap on general. After that, tap software. Now, as you can see here onto the software update, you should be able to see what update or what current version that you have as of the moment right now. So if there is an update now button in there, then you need to go ahead and update your app immediately to also update the different features that are onto your device. So you just need to update it to the latest. As of the moment right now, what we have is iOS 17.3, and then you need to download this since the latest release ensures that FaceTime has its new capabilities and improvements that was introduced in the latest iOS update. So this brings enhancement, bug fixes, and security patches that contributes to a more stable and reliable FaceTime experience. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.